Actually, God's King today's gonna try to God today. Shout out to MTV for giving my brother this shirt and give it to me, and I get to keep it. This is my channel's name, MTV. Oof. Now I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna have my own gaming channel. This is gonna be MTV Gaming, I guess. Yeah, MTV Gaming. That's my gaming channel right there. Oof, oof, oof. That's my gaming channel. So this is my eating channel, I guess. I'm gonna have like 3 channels: gaming, eating, and vlogging. So we have soup here, and I put like there's 1 gulp, and then I put like 8 more of hot sauce in it, and this about to be hot. So let's taste it. You see this? It looks regular like soup, right? But it's not. Ooh, that's hot. Alright, we have to eat this whole bowl with hot sauce, so let's get it. Dang, okay. Alright, oh, whoa. It's hot. Hot. Let's get it. Okay. We don't have to blow it. It's warm. It's hot, guys. I'm gonna do my vlogging channel, and so and my gaming channel. I'm gonna play Fortnite. Oh no, Fortnite. That's it. Fortnite all day. Maybe Call of Duty. Maybe Apex. Oh, this gonna be going in my mouth. It's about to go in my mouth. That's spicy. But guess what? I like spicy stuff. MTV. This is not gonna be my channel name. MDrippy TV or Drippy MGTV. MDrippy TV, because you see these drips down here? That sponsors MDrippy TV. See, I'm not copying MTV. MDrippy TV Gaming, that's gonna be my gaming channel. MDrippy TV Vlog, that's gonna be this channel. And MTV Eats, yeah. MTV Eats is going to be my eating channel, which is this channel. Right now it's Church of the Gods Eats, and I'm gonna have an ASMR channel also. So I'm ready for them ASMR channels.